Ready to enhance your shopping experience on Facebook Marketplace? Let's cut to the chase and learn how to view someone's commerce profile. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to the platform, this tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. Step 1. Visit Facebook Marketplace. Open your Facebook app or use a web browser to access the Marketplace section. Step 2. Search for your item. Utilize the search bar to look for the specific item or category you're interested in purchasing. Step 3. Click on the seller's profile. Once you've found a listing that catches your eye, click on the profile picture of the seller. Step 4. Explore the seller's profile. You'll be directed to the seller's dedicated commerce profile, where you'll find valuable information such as their name, location, contact details, and reviews from previous transactions, and even other items that they have for sale. Step 5. Follow the seller. This is optional, but if you're impressed with what you see and want to stay updated on the seller's future listings, simply click the follow button on their commerce profile page. And there you have it.